To make PowerPoint presentation on mobile phone in Canva, you want to come over to your Canva homepage on mobile. From here, you can see the presentation document. I'm going to click on presentation and a blank new document opens. Once the presentation document opens, the design tab here is usually the first thing that is selected. So if you have a particular type of presentation you're going for, maybe you want to create your portfolio, whatever type of presentation, if it has a name, you can just quickly search it from the search bar here. But if you don't, you can scroll down to find a presentation that catches your attention. So if you like a presentation, you can just easily click on the presentation and you can see all the pages in the presentation. If you want to use a particular page from the presentation, you can just only select one page. But if you want to use all the pages, you can apply the 17 pages. From here, you can start working on your PowerPoint presentation. One thing I like to do from here is to scroll this down part, come over to layers here and see what is on my presentation page. This is an image with these dots that is kept here. These are the only things on my design page. If I swipe to the next page, you can click on that page, still go back into layers and see what you have laid out in the page. If you opened up this presentation and it's not working for you, like it's not working for me now, I'll go back into design here to find another presentation. I'm going to go back and I'm going to describe what I'm looking for. I'm going to click on this. If it comes back and it doesn't still give you what you want to see, you can as well generate your own design. Once you find the template, apply 10 pages to see if it covered the whole pages. Instead of just endlessly scrolling this, you can just pinch your hands on your screen and you can see it replaced the 17 pages and will now have 10 pages. So I'm just going to double tap on any one to go back into the other view I have. So from here, you can start editing your template, writing out text. If you want to change this text, you can click on edit here and type what it is you want to write. See, I've changed my text. And if you don't like the font, you want to change a font or something, you can come here to fonts and choose a different font. When you click on this arrow up here, you will see a huge number of fonts. But if you already know what the name of your font is, you can just quickly click in here and type out the name of your font and it will bring it out for you. I'm going to close this out. You want to do this for all your pages. Add in your text. Make sure it's okay to what you want to use. I'm going to still click into this first page. I would click on this and you can take things out like this I'm doing. And I'm going to still take this out and I'll take this one out. Now I'm left with this. So you can take things out of your design. So you can come here, look through your presentation, go through it. You can also add in things into your presentation. Maybe at some point you want to add in a different page here that is not in your presentation. You can still go back to design and let's go back and let's just select another presentation. Let's pick this one. It opens up and I'm just going to select a page from here. I will select this page. You see it replaced this page alone in my design. So you can actually take design from another page and bring it into your presentation. So you're going to do this for all the pages you're working. If you don't want all the pages, you can click on a page you don't want and delete the page. Once you're happy with your design, to finish designing, working on your presentation, adding text, editing to your liking, the next thing to do is to go over to this arrow facing up, you will see that it says share here or download. If you click on download, you're going to see that you can download your presentation as a PDF standard, or if you click this drop down here, you can see that you can also download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And you have the option from here to select the pages you want to download. If it's just the current page, or you can just quickly pick 1, 2, and 9 and click on done. That way you're only downloading the first and the second page and the last page, which is page 9.